Hey, what's going on? This is a follow-up video of the video that I did a few years ago on the Cisco IP phone system. This is the Avaya phone system, and I just wanted to say that Avaya knows how to make some really, really good ringtones, or the technology has improved a lot. So anyway, these are the polyphonic ringtones that it has. It doesn't have many of them, but they're pretty good, so let's go ahead. Not too bad. Standard telephone. Maybe a little annoying. Okay. That one's actually pretty nice, actually. It is my ringtone. And then it also has the standard suite of horrible default ringtones. And that's it. So, Avaya, here's your grade. You know how to make ringtones. Make more ringtones available. Thank you.